But life is a journey, a going from stage to stage, from childhood to maturity, and youth to old age. From innocence to awareness, and ignorance to knowing, from foolishness to discretion, and then perhaps to wisdom. From weakness to strength, or strength to weakness, and often back again. From health to sickness, and back we pray, to health again. From offense to forgiveness, from loneliness to love, from joy to gratitude, from pain to compassion. From grief to understanding, from fear to faith, from defeat to defeat, to defeat, to defeat, until, looking backward or ahead, we see the victory lies not as some high place along the way, but in having made the journey stage by stage, a sacred pilgrimage. Birth is a beginning and death a destination, but life is a journey, a sacred pilgrimage, made stage by stage to life everlasting by Rabbi Alvin.